pupils, parents, and guardians. Let me start by thanking you for being a part of all our remote learning platforms, particularly our television program, The Classroom in Your Home. Each feedback has been awesome. Good job, you. Our teachers have been working assiduously to bridge the learning loss during this critical period. Therefore, I am pleased to inform you that the Classroom in Your Home has been extended to accommodate the lower primary classes and a dedicated lesson to cater for our special needs pupils in line with our mandate of providing an all-inclusive and quality basic education in our dear state. This program is fully sponsored by the Universal Basic Education Commission, UBEC, and supported by the Lagos State Universal Basic Education Board under the COVID-19 Blended Learning Intervention Initiative. Please encourage your wards to tune in and take every advantage of this laudable program. Also remember, this pandemic is not over. Let us continue to abide by all health and safety guidelines as stipulated by the government. At Lasubeb, we are determined to leave no child behind in our quest to improve the standard of basic education in our state. Thank you.
Hello, pupils. I am so excited to be with you today. You know why? We will be learning and at the same time having lots of fun. Our thanks goes to our sponsor, Universal Basic Education Commission, UBEC, through Lagos State Universal Basic Education Board, Lasubeb, for this timely program titled The Classroom in Your Home for lower primary classes. I am Auntie Lola, and I'll be taking you through English studies. Wondering if I'm here alone? No, I am not. With me, I have a beautiful mathematics teacher, Auntie Tinu.
Hello, pupils.
And I have already general studies teacher, Uncle Sheyi.
Hello, pupils.
And together we bring you the classroom in your home. Please stay tuned. You're welcome to today's English class, which I call communication class. And for today, we are going to be looking at a very interesting topic. What is that topic? So let's get the correction done. Replace the nouns with the correct pronouns. 1. Victoria and Deborah rode a bike. What is the pronoun there? It is they. We are replacing, okay? We are replacing Victoria and Deborah with they. Sarah was crying. What are we replacing with pronoun? We are replacing Sarah with she. Tunde lives in a big house. Tunde lives in a big house. We are replacing Tunde, which is the name, with he, which is a pronoun. The car has a blue color. The car has a blue color. What are we replacing? We are replacing the car with it. The music is loud. And so we are replacing the music, of course, with hits. I'm very sure you got those correctly. You deserve a cheer. Now we move to our lesson objective. By the end of the lesson, you should be able to define possessive pronouns, identify words that show sense of belonging. I'm sure you can't wait to get answers to that. But first, what are possessive pronouns? What do we mean by possessive pronouns? Okay, possessive pronouns are words that show that something belongs to someone or something. I'll take that again. Possessive pronouns are words that show that something belongs to someone or something. Okay, words like mine. This is talking about me. Children, point to yourself and say me. Let's say you're with your pen. Of course, you're with your pen, you're writing what we are doing today. This pen belongs to me. Can you say that? Good job. This pen belongs to me. And the plural is what? Is hers. Means you're more than one. And you're talking about ourselves. It means hers. Okay. Next is yours. This is the person you are talking to. Children, collect your partner's pencil and tell them this is yours. Can you do that now? Good job. For this third part of possessive pronoun, we have his, has, its. This is the person you are talking about. Children, take your mom's shoe and show your partner. This is my mom's shoe. It is hers. Can you say that to your partner? Good job. I am so proud of you. Now let's check more examples. Okay? Number 1. The pencil is my pencil. The pencil is mine. What do we use to replace the possessive pronoun there? Is my pencil. The possessive pronoun in the sentence is what? Is mine. Okay, let's check the second example. The house is their house. It could be for Mr. and Mrs. Folorunsho and their children, or Mr. and Mrs. B. You're referring to a particular family and you say the house is their house. Now we want to use a possessive pronoun. We would use what? Theirs. The house is theirs. Of course, you are talking to your partner. Don't forget, don't leave your partner behind. The possessive pronoun in that sentence is what? Is theirs. Good job. To the next example. The cloth is our cloth. 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 You're still talking to your partner, don't forget. Now you want to use possessive pronoun. For that sentence, what do we use? You say the cloth is ours. Can you say that to your partner? The cloth is ours. Well done. The possessive pronoun in the sentence is what? Is has. You're so correct. Okay, now we move to a beautiful part of this lesson, which is the video. It summarizes all we have been saying. Wow, I'm sure you enjoyed the video. Now it is your turn. Do this. Underline the possessive pronouns in the following sentences. 1. The cat is yours. The cat is yours. The book is theirs. The book is theirs. The bicycle is hers. The bicycle is hers. The shirts are his. The shirts are his. You have 1 minute to do this. Eyes on me, pupils. Okay, let's underline the possessive pronouns in the following sentences. The cat is yours. The cat is yours. What is the possessive pronoun in that sentence? It is what? Yours. The second, the book is theirs. What is the possessive pronoun? Theirs. The bicycle is hers. The possessive pronoun is what? Is hers. The shirts are his. Did you underline his? You are very correct. If you got all, you deserve a chair. Now, your assignment. Copy this. Underline the possessive pronouns in the following sentences. 1. The bag is yours. The bag is yours. The car is theirs. The car is theirs. 3. The clothes is mine. The clothes is mine. 4. The uniform is hers. The uniform is ours. 5. The shoe is his. The shoe is his. Good job. Now we move to another segment of this lesson. Can fix it. What do we have today? We have study tips. I'm sure a whole lot of you find it so difficult to get your reading perfect. Well, these are some tips for you. The first, eating a good meal helps in keeping your brain alert. So endeavor to eat well before reading. You feel your tummy, you're feeling your brain. The second one is about sleep. What does sleep do? Sleep helps in keeping the brain fresh and free. Make sure you sleep well before you start studying. You have 8 hours of sleep, it cools the brain and of course solves a lot in the brain. Okay, we move to the third one. While reading, note, it is important to take notes. Very crucial. It helps in remembering things you've read. A jotter and a pen, or you have an exercise book to work with. It goes a long way in your reading skills. The fourth of the study tips, you find a good, comfortable and quiet place to study. It helps in assimilation. Of course, you don't want to read where noise is so loud. It will be so difficult to get what you are reading. The fifth is if you are studying for a quiz or test, make sure you study in the morning before your quiz or test. It's a good way to revise. Wow, children, I am so sure if you take this into heart, you would go well and you go far in your reading. Do not forget that repetition is the mother of retention. The more you read, the more knowledge and wisdom you acquire. You are special and you are unique in every way. Well, it is time for our mathematics class. Please join Auntie Tino.
Welcome to today's mathematics class. Today's mathematics class, like other lessons, promises to be fun-packed. When I say mathematics time, you say fun time. Mathematics time, fun time. Yes, mathematics can be both educative and fun at the same time. First of all, our homework correction. We were asked to multiply 6 by 5 in our previous homework. 6 by 5. Remember, when you have 6 times 5, you either count 6 in 5 places or 5 in 6 places. Now let's count 6 in 5 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5. Now let's count everything together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Did you get this 30 with me? Beautiful, beautiful. Yes, number 2, we have 12 times 4. Like I told you, 12 times 4, we have to count 4 12 times or 12 4 times. Now let's count 12 4 times. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's make this one a box. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's start this one. Very good. Then the last 12. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's make this one a triangle. Are we together? You say together we are. Are we together? Together we are. Let's count everything together from the circle to the box to the star and to the triangle. Let's count everything together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. Did you get 48 with me? Did you get 48 with me? If so, good job you. Did you get 48 with me? Did you get 48 with me? If so, good job. Now, 34 times 2. Remember I told you when you are working with a 2-digit number, you write under your tens and your units. I've written my tens and units column. 34 times 2. I was able to discover the bigger number, 34. I wrote my 3 under tens and 4 under the unit or ones column. Then my sign, which I'm working with, very important. That is the multiplication sign. I've written it under the tens column and I wrote my 2, the multiplying number, under the ones column. Now, 2 times 4. 2 times 4, we have to count 2 4 times. 2 in 4 places. Now, let's count. 1, 2, circle, 1, 1, 2, box, 2, 1, 2, star, 3, 1, 2, triangle, 4. Are we together? Now, let's count everything together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did you get 8 with me? Good job you. Now 2 times 3. 2 times 3. It means we should count 2 in 3 places. Repeat with me. 2 in 3 places. Now let's count. 1, 2, circle 1, 1, 2. Let's make it a square. 2, 1, 2. Let's make that a triangle. 3. Now let's count everything together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Did you get 6 with me? Good job, you. Now let's call 6 and 8 together. Let's call 6 and 8 together. 6 and 8 gives us 68. Did you get the 3 questions correctly? Now let's give ourselves a round of applause. Good job, you. Now today's lesson. By the end of today's lesson, you should be able to identify coins and banknotes spent in Nigeria and recognize the value of the coins and banknotes spent in Nigeria. Yes, let's take a very good look at this picture. What is happening here? I can see this man trying to buy something from this man, and this woman too is trying to buy. Now look at this picture. If this man, this woman, and the other man successfully buys the clothes they want to buy, what do you think will happen? What must they give to the seller? What must they give to this man for them to be able to take away the clothes? Did I hear you say money? Good job. Now give yourself a round of applause, everybody. A round of applause. Good job, you. Yes. So today we'll be talking about money. The money spent in Nigeria is naira and kobo. Like the picture you saw, money is a means of exchange. Everybody say money is the means of exchange. It means if you want to get the chocolates which you love so much, the biscuits and the ice cream which you love to eat every time, you must ask mommy for what? Money. You say, mommy, give me money. I want to buy biscuits. Can you just go to the biscuit seller and say, uncle, give me biscuits now? What will he ask you? We say, where is your money? So the money we spend in Nigeria is called naira and kobo. Coins and their description. We are going into coins and description. However, we don't use coins again in Nigeria, but we still need to learn about it. Coins and their description. This is the 1 kobo, the 5 kobo, 10 kobo, 25 kobo, 50 kobo, 1 naira, and 2 naira. You can see that all of them have different types of color peculiar to them. The 1 kobo, the 5 kobo, the 10 kobo, the 25 kobo, 50 kobo, 1 naira, and 2 naira. They are all in coins. We cannot see. It's in coins. Coins. So relationship among the coins. What are the relationship among the coin? If I have a 5 kobo coin, it means I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 kobo in 5 kobo. So if I hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 kobo is the same thing as 5 kobo. And if I hold 1 coin of 5 kobo is the same thing as having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 kobo. Are we together? Good job. Now, 50 kobo. If I have a 50 kobo coin, I can say I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. I can say I have 5 10 kobo coin with me. And if I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 10 kobo is the same thing as having 50 kobo coin with me. Are we together? Yes. Eyes on me. When I say eyes on me, you say eyes on the teacher. Eyes on me, eyes on the teacher. Now, 1 naira, we have 250 kobo coin in 1 naira. So if I have 250 kobo coin in my pocket, it's the same thing as having 1 naira, although it's 250 kobo. And if I have 1 naira coin, I can still break it into 250 kobo coin. If I buy something worth 50 kobo, I'll be giving a change of 50 kobo. Are we together? Beautiful. Now let's move on. 2 naira has 1 naira and 1 naira in it. 2 naira coin has 2 1 naira in it. It means if I have 2 1 naira coin in my pocket, I can still say I have 2 naira coin. And if I have 2 naira coin, I can buy stuffs of 1 naira and still get 1 naira change given back to me. Are we together? Yes. Note, 100 kobo is equals to 1 naira. We have 100 kobo of 1 kobo in 1 naira. If I have 1 naira, how many 1 kobo coin will I get from 1 naira? That is 100 kobo. Remember, I showed you 1 kobo at the beginning of the class. Yes. If I want to break my 1 naira coin into 1 kobo, I'll be giving 100 kobo coins. Are we together? Yes. Let's move forward. Banknotes and their description. Beautiful. Now we all know banknotes. That is the regular notes which we spend now. So we want to see them. The 5 naira, the 10 naira, 20 naira, 50 naira, popularly known as the wazo, 100 naira, 200 naira, 500 naira, 1000 naira. This is the front view of the banknotes which we spend now in Nigeria. Now, the back view, the 5 naira, the 10 naira, the 20 naira, that is the back view of the 20 naira, the back view of the 50 naira, the popular wazo, 100 naira, 200 naira, 500 naira, and 1000 naira. Relationship among the banknotes. Yes, if I have 20 naira with me, it means I have 10 naira in 2 places or 5 naira in 4 places. It means that if I take 20 naira to buy a biscuit of 10 naira, I'll be giving 10 naira change in a 10 naira note. I'll be giving 1 10 naira note or 2 5 naira notes. Are we together? Yes, when I ask you, are we together? You say, together we are. Are we together? Together we are. So 20 naira has 2 10 naira or 4 5 naira or 1 10 naira and 2 5 naira. Are we together? Together we are. Yes. The 100 naira. If I have 100 naira notes with me, it's the same thing as having 2 50 naira notes or having 50 naira, 1 50 naira, 1 20 naira, another 20 naira and 1 10 naira. It means 100 naira can be broken into 2 50 naira. It can also be broken into 1 50 naira, 2 20 naira and 1 10 naira. Remember, most times you tell your friends, do you have change? And when you give them 100 naira, you are expecting them to give you either 2 50 naira, 5 20 naira, 10 10 naira, or a 50 naira note and 5 10 naira, or a 50 naira note and 2 20 naira and 1 10 naira. Are we together? So if they give you 2 50 naira notes, it's the same thing as having 100 naira. If you are giving 1 50 naira note, 2 20 naira and 1 10 naira is still the same thing as having 100 naira. And peradventure your friend has 5 20 naira notes, is still the same thing as having 100 naira with you. Are we together? Now 200 naira notes. If I have 200 naira notes with me, it's the same thing as having 100 naira in 2 places. So if I have 100 naira in 200 naira in my pocket, it still comes to having 200 naira. If I want to make a change of 200 naira, I can either be giving 200 naira or 100 naira and 5 20 naira or 4 50 naira or 10 20 naira. Everything is the same thing as having 200 naira. Are we together? Are we together? You say together we are. Now do this. I want to see how well you have been following the lesson from the beginning of the lesson. How many 5 kobo do we have in 25 kobo? How many 10 kobo do we have in 1 naira? How many 25 kobo do we have in 2 naira? And how many 50 naira do we have in 100 naira? You have just 2 minutes to attempt the question. Your time starts now. Eyes on me, eyes on the teacher. When I say eyes on me, you say eyes on the teacher. Now let's have the correction of our questions. 25 kobo. How many 5 kobo do we have in 25 kobo? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did you get 5 as your answer too? Good job, you. Number 2. How many 10 kobo do we have in 1 naira? How many 10 kobo do we have in 1 naira? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Did you get 10 too? Good job, you. That's very good. Good job. How many 25 kobo do we have in 2 naira? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did you get 8 with me? Bravo! Good job. Very good. How many 50 naira do we have in 100 naira notes? Yes, let's count together. 1, 2. Did you get all the questions correctly? Let us give ourselves a round of applause. Good job, you. You are wonderful pupils. Now, our homework. Our homework. Remember, you must do Auntie Tinu's homework. How many 25 kobo do we have in 1 naira? How many 50 kobo do we have in 2 naira? How many 10 naira do we have in 100 naira? How many 20 naira do we have in 200 naira? You have 30 seconds to copy that down. Eyes on me, eyes on the teacher. And that's it for today. We have come to the end of another interesting and fun-packed mathematics class. Did you have the fun I promised you at the beginning of the lesson? I'm sure you did. Now, be prepared to have a more wonderful time with Uncle Sheyi in our General Studies class. Till I come your way next lesson, Auntie Tinu cares.
Hello, pupils. You are welcome to another exciting segment of the program, the classroom in your home. This is General Studies class, and I'm your teacher, Uncle Sheyi. We will be having an exciting time today in learning. Last week, you were given some work to do as your take-home assignment. So let's have correction to the homework. You were asked to tell us the soil that is good for planting. And your answer is loamy soil. So loamy soil is the best soil for planting. I know you got that correctly. Good job. You were also asked that which type of soil was used to build huts and houses in ancient times. And your answer should be clay soil, because that is the correct answer. And I know you got it correctly. Bravo, fantastic, well done. So let's go into today's topic. Ethnic groups in Nigeria. By the end of the lesson, you should be able to define ethnic groups. And also, you should be able to state at least 6 ethnic groups in Nigeria. You should be able to state at least 6 ethnic groups in Nigeria. Now, let us look at this picture. You can see in this picture, the people in this picture are dressing differently Look at this man, he's putting on a turban. The lady here is not putting on any head tie. The lady in the middle is putting on an head tie, and they are all dressed differently. So it shows that there are different ethnic groups in Nigeria. Okay? So it takes us to this question. What are ethnic groups? Ethnic groups are groups of people with the same language and way of life. Ethnic groups are groups of people with the same language and way of life. So usually you can find people of the same ethnic group in an area. They eat the same kind of food, they dress in the same manner, and they also speak the same language. Okay? In Nigeria, there are so many ethnic groups, so many. In fact, we have over 250 ethnic groups in Nigeria. Okay? But there are three major ethnic groups in Nigeria. There are how many major groups? Three major ethnic groups in Nigeria, namely Yoruba, Igbo, and Hausa. Those are the three major ethnic groups in Nigeria. You have the Yoruba, the Igbo, and Hausa. Okay? Now look at this. This is the map of Nigeria, and you can see the different ethnic groups, how they are spread across Nigeria. To the north, up north, are the Hausa people, the ethnic group called Hausa. Now, to the southwestern part of the map are the Yoruba ethnic group, okay? And to the southeastern part of the map is the Igbo ethnic groups. Can you see it? The Hausa ethnic groups, the Yoruba ethnic group, and the Igbo ethnic groups. So the three groups are the three major ethnic groups in Nigeria. While we have others, you have the Igala, you have the Kanuri, you have the Bura, and so many. And like I said earlier, we have over 250 ethnic groups in Nigeria. But the three major ethnic groups are the Yoruba ethnic groups, the Igbo ethnic group, the Hausa ethnic group, and the Yoruba ethnic group. Okay? Examples of some other ethnic groups in Nigeria. You have the Ijaw, the Kanuri, the Ibibio, Isoko, and the Ibiras. Now I want you to repeat after me the examples of other ethnic groups in Nigeria. So repeat after me. The Ijaws. Okay, good. The Kanuris. Good. The Ibibios. Very good. The Isokos. Wonderful. The Ebiras. Good job, you. Very good. Very, very good. Okay, now we want to look at the different ethnic groups in Nigeria and their community leaders. The different ethnic groups in Nigeria and their community leaders, okay? The Igbo ethnic group. And the traditional title that they call their leader is Eze or Igwe or Obi. Okay? Eze, Igwe, Obi. And I'm sure you must have seen in some of the movies that you watch on television when the subjects or the people in the village wants to greet the leader, you will hear Igwe. Yes, that is the name they call their leader, Igwe. And this is a typical Igbo family. Look at the way they are dressed. Look at the red cap. This is a typical Igbo family. And look at the attire. It's common amongst the Igbos, okay? Also, we'll be looking at the Hausa ethnic group. The Hausa ethnic group, and the traditional title given to their leader is Emir. The traditional leader given to their leader is Emir. And usually you will see their leader, they put on turban. That shows that that's a leader from the Hausa ethnic group. And look at this picture. This is a typical Hausa man dressing. This is the way the people from the ethnic group Hausa, this is how they dress. The cap, and sometimes they hold on to a staff. Most of the time, their men hold on to a staff. Okay? Beautiful. Another ethnic group we are looking at amongst the three major ethnic groups in Nigeria is the Yoruba ethnic group. The Yoruba ethnic group, good. And the traditional title given to their leader is Oba. Oba. And in Yoruba land, usually, in fact, is a must that when you come before the king, a boy or a man should prostrate, while a girl or a lady should kneel and greet the king. You don't stand before the king, and you don't put on your cap before the king, okay? I know you are a good student and you will not stand before the king. Am I right? Beautiful. Now look at this picture. This is a typical dressing of the Yoruba people. Most of the time they put on their cap, they put on their gele. The women, they tie headgear called gele. And Yoruba people love to dance. It's part of their culture. They love to dance, especially at the sound of the talking drum called gong. They love to dance. Yoruba people are happy people, okay? So this is a typical dressing of the Yoruba ethnic group, okay? Other ethnic groups in Nigeria, the Ibibio. Can you see their manner of dressing? Beautiful. They look very beautiful. Can you see? Can you see them? Beautiful dressing manner. We also have the Edo ethnic group in Nigeria. They also dress well. And the traditional title given to their leader is Oba. In fact, history has it that they are related to the Yoruba ethnic group. And as a matter of fact, the style and the manner of their language and their manner of dressing is very related to the dressing of the Yoruba ethnic group. Okay? Can you see? These are Edo women dressed in their traditional attire. They are looking radiant and beautiful. Another ethnic group in Nigeria are the Isokos. And the traditional title given to their leader is Ovie. And this is the way they dress. Okay? Beautiful pictures. Today, we have been able to talk about the different ethnic groups in Nigeria. And I remember I told you that we have three major ethnic groups in Nigeria. We have the Yoruba, the Igbo, and the Hausas. They are the three major ethnic groups in Nigeria. And we have others too. We have the Ibibios, we have the Isokos, we have the Edo, we have the Kanuri, and so many. I believe you listened with rapt attention and you understood all what you have been taught. Good children. Now let's come to our evaluation. Number 1, what are ethnic groups? What are ethnic groups? Number 2, mention the 3 major ethnic groups in Nigeria. Mention the 3 major ethnic groups in Nigeria. You have just 1 minute to do this, and your time starts now. I know you are done with the questions, and they are very simple. Really? Yeah. Now let's look at the answers to the questions. What are ethnic groups? Ethnic groups are groups of people with the same language and way of life. I know you got that right. Well done. Number 2, mention the 3 major ethnic groups in Nigeria. And the answer is Yoruba, Igbo, and Hausa. Those are the 3 major ethnic groups in Nigeria. I believe you got all the questions correctly. Bravo, good job. You deserve a chair. Well done. Now get your pen and your paper and write down your assignment. Let's go. What is the traditional title of leaders of these ethnic groups in Nigeria? What is the traditional title of leaders of these ethnic groups in Nigeria? Number 1, Hausa. So what is the name or what is the title given to their traditional leader? Number 2, Isoko. What is the title given to their traditional leader? And the last one, what is the traditional title given to the leaders in the Yoruba ethnic group? Okay? I hope you have written that down. Beautiful, beautiful. And it is on this note that we will be calling it a day on general studies. I hope you enjoyed the class. I had a good time teaching you. Until next time that we will be meeting again, Uncle Sheyi says, be good. Bye-bye.
Exciting! We have come to the end of another wonderful, fun-packed, and educative session. Did you enjoy today's episode like we all did? If so, join us next lesson, same station. Please send your comments and homeworks to the numbers showing on the screen. 081 5086 5663. SMS and WhatsApp messages only. Do not call.
Yeah.
I repeat, do not call. If you love your family and friends, you must stay safe for them and for you.
Right.
To stay safe for everyone you love,
Wash your hands regularly.
Practice social distancing.
if you must go out, I repeat, if you must go out, wear your
Face mask.
Till we come your way next lesson, it's Lasubeb.
Leave no child behind.
Dear pupils, parents, and guardians, let me start by thanking you for being a part of all our remote learning platforms, particularly our television program, The Classroom in Your Home. Each feedback has been awesome. Good job, you. Our teachers have been working assiduously to break the learning laws during this critical period. Therefore, I am pleased to inform you that the Classroom in Your Home has been extended to accommodate the lower primary classes and a dedicated lesson to cater for our special needs pupils in line with our mandate of providing an all-inclusive and quality basic education in our dear state. This program is fully sponsored by the Universal Basic Education Commission, UBEC, and supported by the Lagos State Universal Basic Education Board under the COVID-19 Blended Learning Intervention Initiative. Please encourage your wards to tune in and take every advantage of this laudable program. Also remember, this pandemic is not over. Let us continue to abide by all health and safety guidelines as stipulated by the government. At Lasubeb, we are determined to leave no child behind in our quest to improve the standard of basic education in our state. Thank you.